car gonna run right back down.
Wow.
Shukana Shade. A Terminal 2?
Yes, sir. Terminal 2. Terminal 2.
What a folly, man?
Everybody's leaving. They heard about it.
Oh, do I got show?
Yes, all of them are gonna show. Cause they heard that Saint Hope is gonna be in NYC. Hello, folks. So your boy has been booked for an appearance at a banquet held by the South Jamaica Queens Church of God in New York City. I'm heading out right now to see what's in store for me. Come along now. I'm going to spend some time and see what going on the trip. Yes, sir. Hate going on the plane last. That usually means that I'm going to struggle to find place to put my bags and all of them things there. What am I going to do? As long as I reach, right? Seated and waiting to leave. Seats are comfortable on bed Delta, and they gave us a TV. So let's see what happens next, eh? Just touched down at the airport. I wait for my ride to come get me. New York, about in the 50s, it's not that cold, nice and feel good weather. Yeah, hungry now, so it's about some food thing. Get to my hotel and pretty much just get myself ready for later on work. Yeah, that's how it is right about now. First stop, we stop at Queens. They are the doors. Get some food. Fast food still, you know. I beat some food and run out because it's a long thing, you know. So I get some chicken and then cut. Yeah, nice evening. Work later on, so we're not really to stay in the room and so just want to get some food and then get to the hotel and get myself situated. Yeah. So we're staying at the courtyard by the Marriott in Queens, and I'm in room 1009. Just make sure some carry the gentleman promoter back downstairs, you know, because This is the little restroom. Small place, business-wise. You know, New York hotel is, you know, have a little microwave this and little fridge as I run. And this is the room. Yeah, courtyard is always one of the spots that I travel. When I travel here, I always stay at the courtyard. I'm getting the full view of Queens and the highway over there. And yeah, so the banquet will be somewhere over that side this evening. Yeah, somewhere in this, I think maybe that building right there. Yeah, let me see if I can zoom in and show you which building. That building right there, maybe, I think. Yeah, it's going to be a long evening. But God is good, yeah? And we're always thankful for the opportunities where we get to not just ply the craft, but also, you know, feed the family and minister. Over there, so look like Co-op City. I don't know the place, so I can't tell you. Oh, Brooklyn, I think they're over there. I don't know. Guys, if you know, you let me know. All right. Yeah. Hanging out in New York. So before I even do anything, I normally make sure my routine is once I get to the hotel, take my clothes out and get my clothes sorted out. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. Take my clothes out and sort out that and make sure so that is done. And then I'm going to try to get at least at 15 minutes, you know, sleep or something. And of course, have some food. So I'm going to eat some food. I'm just giving you a little run through of what my trips are when I make my little trips to do my little work. And so that's what the next move is. I got a 7 o'clock pickup tonight and a 6 o'clock pickup in the morning. And that's business. Run in, beat it up, lick it, and run out back again. Yeah! I try to link some friends, but I not hear from them. So me see what go on. You see it? See there? I'm look at fried chicken this from the doors. And them give some sauce with it. Yeah. And I have a drink here, so. Yeah. Lemon ginger. Woohoo! Yeah, man. See there? Nice little food. So, I go beat up this. And then go relax a little bit. Looks so good. Looks so good. Yeah, I go beat up this and then relax. And then we have some clothes to press, see? Yeah, make sure press up my thing them and make sure some line up for later. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 hours later. Well, I'm about ready to go. And just waiting on the ride to come get me. And, you know, hopefully I can get somebody to videotape a little bit of the show so that you guys can see a little bit of what I do. Well, you see already, you know me. So, keep it breezy. I wear my INC jacket. I'm going to put a still picture there so you can see it with a gray shirt and a gray tie. I don't remember who this tie is from. But, yeah, that's the lick. Yeah, so the thing set, yeah, see there, and it's sort of nice because it makes me look slimish, makes me look very slimish. The venue is beautiful, beautiful venue, and this is where they'll be having cocktails, and then they're gonna have the formal dining room in this part. Let me show you guys. This is the formal dining room. The stage is right up here. Yep. awesome, right? Awesome. Just showing you a little bit of what's going on here.
That you have blessed us with. Lord, we thank you for who you are. We thank you that you are gracious and kind, Father. And Lord, as you have brought us together one more time into your presence, we ask you to stay with us, sit with us, bless us, oh God. Help us when we shall leave this place tonight. We said it was really, really good to be here. Father, pray that everything will be done to your honor, to your glory. Bless these proceedings, we pray, in Jesus' name.
So the banquet finally got started, and after several minutes, I was called to do my thing, and it was an awesome time. I did not get the opportunity to videotape, as I said before, but the entire proceeding was amazing. The venue was astounding, from the meals all the way to the service. Even the butter had their names, Russo, on the bay. The pasta dish was awesome. I enjoyed it totally, all the way to the hors d'oeuvres that was just crazy good, and I had a chicken for the main course, and I did get a half a chicken. Can you believe that? An entire half of a chicken, and it was just a beautiful time, and the crowd was wonderful. They participated and they enjoyed what I had to deliver, and I've since that gotten several referrals for later on in the year, so I should be back in New York in a little while. Overall, I totally enjoyed this venue, the location, and the service. It was, as banquet goes, this was an A1 banquet. Trust me on that. I totally enjoyed it. Banquet hall is awesome, guys. It's really, really nice. Really, really nice. So I'm back in my hotel, and this is my view on the streets down below, and that's pretty much what happens every time I come to New York. I go to an event and trying to get my camera to focus. I go to an event, go back to the hotel room, pack and get ready to leave before the next morning. I don't get to see the lights. I don't get to enjoy New York and go up on the road and all them things there. So that's just my little thing, Yeah. Just giving you a view from my room. So I'm back in JFK, and look to head out now. It's pretty much, you know, my 24 hours basically in New York. If it's that long, it's not even 24 hours. But that's the life, man. You know, just wanted you guys to see a glimpse of what happens when I go out to do comedy, to travel. You know, the chances of me getting downtime and relaxation time is very minimal at best. So, love the work, love the opportunities that it creates for me and the family. Just traveling, man, just doing what I have to do. I didn't get to show you the clips of yesterday because I didn't have anybody to record. Everybody was just busy, and I'm not the type of person to impose on people, so that's pretty much where it's at for now. Yeah, until such time, back on the road again. I'm gonna tell you.